Yo, what's up guys? Today we're going to be talking about the Bold N1 a month later. So I've been using this phone for a minute now, and I want to go ahead and answer you guys questions. So the first question was speed. Is this Helio P70 processor going to start lagging? Has it started lagging already? And the answer is no. The processor has been fine. I think this phone is very capable of going into 2020, because I'm assuming a lot of you guys are going to be buying this phone to go into 2020 with, and no problem with lag whatsoever. I mean, if you're getting this phone, don't be scared just because it's got, you know, sort of an older processor or whatever. This has not lagged when multitasking. I'm not getting animation lags like that. Everything's extremely smooth. I haven't had any problems so far. So don't be worried about that. I have phones that have lower processors and still perform very well. The P20 Lite, as you can see, is still a really great phone. It's not even as well spec'd as the Bold M1, and it still runs great. So don't install like any malware, spyware, and just watch out for what you install on your phone, and you'll be fine. I haven't had any issues so far. Next is the support for the Bold N1. So someone asked about case support. I haven't been able to find any cases for this phone. I mean, if you go on Amazon, go on Bold N1 case, and even the same for eBay, you won't find anything. You have some skin right here, and you have a bunch of like cases that aren't really meant for the phone itself. They're just kind of like these universal cases, I guess, but there's basically no, you know, support for this phone. So I don't know if Bold is not doing a great job advertising. I don't know if a lot of people know about this. So go to the review videos, you know, share the review videos, unboxing videos of the Bold N1, you know, on Facebook, whatever, to get people to buy this phone, because it's actually a really great phone, and the more people that buy it will, you know, get case support faster. So so far, you know, they give you that clear case, but this is the reason why no one wants a clear case. Look at it. I've only had it for about a month, and it's all scratched up, and it just looks dirty, and you know, I don't even like having it on, but I don't want to scuff up the phone. But at the bottom right here, I had the case on the whole time, and I've got like a little scuff right here, and you can kind of see it. That's why, you know, I don't really like the black version. I wish this had like a different color, but I can definitely see the scruff, and you know, I'm just being petty or whatever, but that is annoying. So, you know, I really want case support, and it's got like this, I don't know, it's got like a texture on it right here. So I don't know, just share the video so we can get case support, because I'm looking and I still don't see any. Next question I was asked was about the headphone jack, and the headphone jack is loud. I don't know why people are saying that the quality is bad. It's not bad at all. I am using the Audio Technica headphones. They're pretty good headphones, so, you know, I don't know what headphones you guys are using, but it's pretty loud to me. I'm not sure what to tell you. If the audio quality is bad, you might have to send it back, but you know, I haven't had any problems. It's loud enough for me. Just make sure you're not listening to your music super loud, because you will like damage your ears. Just, you know, to look out for you. Next is the pop-up camera. The pop-up camera is still going strong. Now, I actually don't take a lot of selfies and stuff, but, you know, I'm not using it a lot, but it's still working just fine. No problems with it. Alright, so I was asked to play this Call of Duty game for someone, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. It put me on graphics on medium, so they want you to play on medium, but we're going to go ahead and play on high just so you can see, because I'm sure you're going to want to play on high. But let's go ahead, max everything out. So you do have that option to play on high. And I just downloaded this game, so don't flame me. Alright, so we're in the game. Like I said, graphics are on high. Let's just show you again, on high. And by the way, this game looks really pretty, and the screen on here is beautiful as well. So I'm not seeing a huge amount of lag. I do see a little like stutters here and there, but it's like it's definitely playable even on high. How do you shoot? How do you shoot? Yeah. It's too close. Fight harder. Where's the knife? This game is really pretty. Can I get him? Can I get him? Oh, no, 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 no. Oh my god. Just trying to stab him. So as you can see, it's running fine. Definitely playable. Very pretty. So you can play this on high. The screen is beautiful. Just look at the graphics and everything. It's really nice. Alright, so let's talk about battery life. So I've been having good battery life on this phone. Like I said, I'm a light user, so your battery might be different, but I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the battery usage. And like I said, you know, I spend most of my time on YouTube or Instagram, stuff like that. I play games like lightly here and there. But as you can see, 66% one day, 6 hours ago, since the full charge. And I'm having no problems with battery life. Battery life is pretty good. Like I said, light user, so you know I can get, honestly, I can get probably 2 days of battery life out of this phone, just, you know, being on YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, stuff like that. 2 days of battery life. But if you're playing games and stuff all day, you should get through the whole day battery. So just, you know, be aware of that. It is a 3000 milliamp, and you do have a really high resolution display, so you're not going to get like crazy battery life, but you are going to get battery life that's going to last you throughout the day. So that's pretty much it. The Bold N1 has been extremely impressive. It is really nice. So thanks for watching this video, and I will catch you guys in the next one.